Hey YouTube viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching my previous videos, you'll know that I went on my honeymoon to New Zealand in August 2024. While my husband and I were there, one of the tourist attractions that we visited was Hobbiton. Hobbiton, for those of you that don't know, was one of the main filming locations for the Lord of the Rings trilogy and the Hobbit trilogy. In my opinion, it is arguably the most popular tourist attraction in the North Island of New Zealand. If you're planning to visit Hobbiton and want to learn more about it, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned and I'll share with you all the details about my trip there. In this video, I'll be talking about the following things: tour, activities, tickets, and tips. Before we begin, I would appreciate it if you could support my channel by giving this video a like, leaving a comment below, and hitting the subscribe button. Let's get started. Tour. The Hobbiton Tour in New Zealand offers a guided exploration of the iconic movie set from the Lord of the Rings and the Hobbit film trilogies. It is located on a picturesque farm near Matamata in the North Island. Visitors can stroll through the lush Shire landscapes, see over 40 hobbit holes, including Bag End, the home of Bilbo and Frodo Baggins, and enjoy detailed set pieces like the Green Dragon Inn, the Party Tree, and the Mill. The tour provides behind-the-scenes insights into the filmmaking process and is definitely a must-visit for Tolkien fans and film lovers alike. Activities. During the Hobbiton Tour in New Zealand, visitors can enjoy a range of activities that bring the movie magic of The Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit to life. Guided walking tours take you through the lush Shire landscape with stops at famous locations like Bag End, the Green Dragon Inn, the Mill, and over 40 hobbit holes. You can explore the detailed film set, take photos, hear behind-the-scenes stories from the movies, and enjoy a complimentary drink at the Green Dragon. Some tours also offer evening banquets, second breakfast experiences, or private tours for a more immersive adventure. Tickets. There are different types of experiences that you can buy tickets for. Some of these experiences are special events that only occur on certain days of the year, such as the Hobbiton Beer Festival, a Hobbiton Christmas, Summer Harvest Festival, Midwinter Festival, and International Hobbit Day. All these special event tours include food. If you aren't visiting Hobbiton on one of the special event days and would still like food, there are other tours that you can follow which include a meal. These include Hobbiton Movie Set Tour plus Lunch Combo, which is what we did, Behind the Scenes Tour, Evening Banquet Tour, and the Second Breakfast Tour. Now, if you're only interested in the tour and nothing else, you can do the regular movie set tour, which would be the cheapest option. Tips. Book early. Like I mentioned before, Hobbiton is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the North Island of New Zealand. If you want to visit the movie set, make sure to book your ticket as soon as possible. For the regular tour, I'd recommend booking at least 1 month ahead of time. For all the other tours, book as soon as you know when you're going to New Zealand. Tickets become available as soon as 10 months before the tour date. Dress appropriately. The tour will operate rain or shine. It will only be cancelled in the event of extreme weather conditions. Since this is a walking tour, I'd recommend wearing comfortable walking shoes. In the summer, make sure to bring sunscreen and a hat. In the autumn, winter, and spring, wear a rainproof layer and enclosed shoes as the walking path can get muddy. Camera. The Hobbiton movie set is very picturesque and definitely picture-worthy. Remember to bring a camera or a phone with camera capability so that you can capture the beautiful scenery that was used as a filming location for the Lord of the Rings and Hobbit film trilogies. ID. For all the tours, a complimentary drink is served at the Green Dragon Inn. Visitors have a choice between an alcoholic or non-alcoholic drink. If you want to get an alcoholic drink, the servers may request for ID, so make sure you have your passport or ID card ready. And that's a summary of my half-day tour to Hobbiton. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about the tour, please feel free to leave a comment below. Also, if you like my content, please show your support by giving this video a like and smashing that subscribe button. See you next time!